Okay, within this video, I'm actually going to show you how to use list companies to build up your buyers list. You can either use flipthisrealestatelyst.com, yellowletterscomplete.com, or listsource.com. Now, with the first two, you would have to contact them either by email or call them and speak with them over the phone to actually purchase a list. Okay. With listsource.com, you can actually create your own list. It's pretty simple to do. I'm going to show you real quick. Okay, this right here is flipthisrealestatelyst.com. It's pretty simple, straightforward. All you do is fill out this little form here on the side. Once you speak to someone on the phone, you would ask them for a cash buyers list within your area, and then you would actually mail that list and build up your cash buyers list. Okay, and then the same thing with the Yellow Letters Complete. All you would do is call this number and speak with someone over the phone, let them know that you want a cash buyers list within your area, and purchase that list. And then we'll do the same process and send them either a letter or a postcard. And as far as with Yellow Letters Complete, they can actually mail the postcard or letter for you if you decide not to use click to mail. Okay, with listsource.com, you can actually build your own list. It's pretty simple to do. Now, if you don't have a username and password, go ahead and create your free account, get your username and password, then go ahead and log in. Okay, log in. Okay, now first thing you want to do is click on this tab up here, create your own. Okay, next thing, make sure you're in the geography tab, and then you want to search by zip code. Enter in the state where you're actually marketing at. This will be Oklahoma. Enter. Now you should have your top zip codes already if you've already done your market analysis within your area. Enter in those zip codes here. I'm just going to click the first 10 and add. Okay, but enter in your hot zip codes within your area right here. Next thing you want to do is click on the property tab. Okay, select criteria. Then you want to do this by equity percentage. Click on that. Okay, we want cash buyers that has 61 to 100% equity. Click add. Okay, next tab, click on options. Now, for owner occupied status, we want absentee owned. Click on that. Make sure these two are checked, in-state owners and out-of-state owners. Okay, now if you go to purchase this list and this list is a little bit out of your budget, all you would need to do is take away, a few zip codes to purchase a smaller list. But you would just go down here, click purchase list. Wait for this to load up. Okay, and then if you notice, you got 805 leads. Okay, this list is 141 bucks. Okay, all you do is continue to check out. Click on that, and then just enter in, all your information here on the right-hand side. Place order, and you will instantly purchase your list. And then you would either use yellow letters or postcards, or you can actually use click to mail to your list. So if you have any other questions, let me know.